Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl Jenna. Fine. Happy new month. We're in the new month of February 2018 and the month or the year is just going by smoothly, like flying by. Like guys, if you don't have your life together, do so because time waits for nobody. If you are new to my channel and if this is your first time of seeing my face, you're welcome. I'm Jennifer and thank you guys very much. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do so because it's very free to subscribe. For today's video, as you may know from the title of this video already, I will be mixing all my facial clay mask products together. However, this is not my idea, but probably the mask thing is my idea. But I've been seeing lots of YouTubers, doing this mixing product, and I think the first person to ever mix the products together was Sophia Nagard. I don't know if I'm pronouncing the name correctly, but yes, I'm gonna leave the name right here so you guys can see. And the second YouTuber I watched was Alisa Ashley, and the third person was TUR-KAY-LA, and the fourth person was Nima. And I was like, oh my god, maybe I should join in this mixing product because a lot of them mix their makeup product like foundation, concealer. Literally, Alisa Ashley covered all of the mixing in terms of makeup. I haven't seen anybody yet who have mixed their facial mask product, and I just decided, like, you know what, there's no point wasting my foundation mixing them together. How about I mix my facial mask product together and see what type of consistent or it looks like as a mask on my face. Most of my mask and exfoliating products are of different types, brand, texture, consistent formula and ingredients. God help me putting this all chemicals on my face. I hope it turns out to be good. At the same time, I hope I don't have any reaction from these. This is just a fun video to just see, putting things together to see how it works. Guys, I'm gonna be zooming in. I'm gonna show you the product. I'm gonna mix it together. Probably maybe they're around 10-12 products all together. So I'll see you on the other side. Hey guys, welcome back. As you can see, I have my mixture right here. So this kind of have like a grayish, clayish, consistent formula mask, and I can't wait to put this on my face. So just give it a mix one more time, then I apply it on my face. It has a perfume scent. It could be from the mask I use altogether, but the smell is not bad. It smells like brand new. It smells like a cream. Mostly it smells like sweet Right, so guys, I really want to know what it feels like to mix like 12 different type of mask products and apply it to the face. Hopefully I don't break out, so let's go. Ooh, god damn, so cold. So guys, this is the mask on my face. Now I'm just gonna leave it to set a lot. I don't know if it's gonna be drying, if it's gonna stay moist like this, I don't know, but I'm gonna give it a couple of time. Could be up to 30 minutes, and I'm gonna be back to show you the result, if it's dry or not, before I wash it out. It's been like almost an hour, 45 minutes plus, and I knew because I was watching a TV series for almost 15 minutes, so I knew that this has been on my face for almost an hour. And as you can see, it's gone a bit darker than when I first applied it, which was really like bright and light. So now it's drying in, it's setting in, and also it's getting darker, but it's not fully dry because when I touch it I still feel moist on it, but really kind of a bit dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash this. I don't think I need to leave it on for too long, and come back and show you how I feel like on my new face like. I'll be right back. This is the finished face. I washed my face with a lukewarm water and decided to use jojoba oil, which is a moisturizing oil base, just to like cream my face, massage it around, because I don't want my face to be too dry after washing my face off of like facial mask, because sometimes it tends to leave you too dry. So I just use like a bit of jojoba oil just to like give my face a bit of moisture and hydrating at the same time. It's just that my face is a lot smoother, and yes, but hopefully I don't react from this mixture of mask, because my mask consists of clay, peel of mask, what have you. So but so far it's really good. Like I feel a lot refreshed, I feel a lot of hydration and smoothness on my skin, and the rest of that substance that I mixed, I kind of save it, I cover it up so I can probably use it next time. That's it guys, that's the end of the mixing facial mask together. I hope you guys enjoyed this funny video. Yeah, hopefully more to come. So guys, if you love this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you don't like it, still give it a thumbs up. I will really appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't. It's very free to subscribe, and if you like clicking buttons, don't forget to click on that notification bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a video. So guys, don't forget to watch my previous video, just gonna be somewhere around the screen. Catch up, and until then guys, I'm gonna see you on my next video. Peace out. We are down, we are down, we are down, we go down.